This greeting from Fred from Shelearns. We want to appreciate the Lord for today. Today we have been to 2 schools, that is Excel Secondary School and Bulamu Seed Secondary School. We've had a good time to impact the young learners so that they can surely understand where they are going. They can understand that they have purpose, that they can understand that they have a given thing that they have to accomplish in life. The only way they can change their lives is for them to plant seeds of greatness in their lives.
Hello, my name is Nsimire Veronica, Senior 4A. I'm at Bulamu Seed Secondary School.
My name is Msingus Isaac, and today here we are at Bulamu Seed Secondary School.
And I'm so grateful for Shelearns for coming to our school and teaching and telling us useful information.
Today we've had a group from Shelearns, and I'm thankful for this group, for they have good information for us today. They've delivered such a good presentation to us today.
They taught us that every day you have to get something, like to revise something in your head, to get to join good groups, and also to forget about the past and move on.
And as a student, I've learned quite many things, but one is to stay focused when it comes to academics.
I take this opportunity to thank the chairman of this group, Mr. Sebagala Frederick, with other members for what they have taken the learners of Bulamu Seed Secondary School. Really, we register appreciations and we say, let this be the beginning. We would want such sessions to these young boys and girls. It has been right at the right time, right information, right message for a young girl or a young boy in Bulamu.
So ladies and gentlemen, everybody who is out there, thank you for helping us. Thank you for pushing us that we may be able to go to the learners. We tell them, we impact them so that their hearts can be healed, their hearts can have a reason to succeed, and they can have everything in them to move forward every day. Why? Because once they don't give up, once they realize that they can, they're going to go higher. Thank you for the love, thank you for the peace, and may God bless you as we move together in this journey. She learns, she wins, she signs, and Jesus never fails.